Welcome to Beautyistic. Today I'm reviewing the Dove Scrub Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter for Silky Smooth Skin, a body scrub that promises to exfoliate and restore your skin's natural nutrients. If you're looking for smooth, radiant skin, this might just be your new best friend. Let's dive in. This exfoliating body scrub is formulated with small-sized exfoliating particles that make it both gentle and effective. It's enriched with Dove's signature Core Moisturizing Cream, making it not just a scrub, but a nourishing treatment for your skin. The blend of brown sugar and coconut butter gives it a soft, creamy texture that's easy to spread across your body, leaving you with an indulgent experience each time you use it. The fragrance is irresistible, with notes of vanilla, brown sugar, and coconut puree, creating a sweet, soothing aroma that lingers softly after use. Using this product is a breeze. In the shower, just massage it into wet skin, focusing on areas that need extra attention like elbows or knees. The scrub lathers up gently, exfoliating as it works. The formula is moisturizing enough to leave your skin feeling soft even before you apply your body wash. It's designed to be used 3 to 4 times a week, ensuring you get smooth, glowing skin regularly. When it comes to performance, Dove Scrub Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter does an excellent job. It exfoliates without being too harsh, which is ideal for those with sensitive skin. I noticed an immediate improvement in the softness of my skin after just one use. It also helps remove dull, dry skin, leaving behind a layer of more radiant, refreshed skin. I've used it in the shower and noticed it works wonders when preparing the skin for shaving, helping to minimize ingrown hairs as well. In terms of pros, the product excels at exfoliation and moisture balance, offering a perfect combination of gentle yet effective scrub. The fragrance is also a major highlight, sweet but not overpowering. However, one potential con could be the price point. While the quality is top-notch, there are cheaper alternatives out there if you're on a budget, though they might not offer the same luxurious experience. Comparing it to other body scrubs on the market, Dove's scrub stands out because it combines exfoliation with moisture, something not all scrubs do effectively. The addition of the quarter moisturizing cream sets it apart from harsher, drying scrubs. As for value for money, I believe this scrub offers great value. You're not just getting exfoliation, you're also treating your skin to moisture and care. The jar is large enough to last several uses, which makes the price feel more reasonable in the long run. The build quality of the product is solid. The formula is smooth, easily spreadable, and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The packaging is convenient with a twist-off lid, making it easy to scoop out the right amount every time. User-friendliness is a strong point here too. The scrub is easy to apply and rinse off, making it ideal for a quick, effective exfoliation session. It doesn't require any extra effort, and the mild lather makes the process feel pampering rather than a chore. Now, if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content on Beautyistic. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on what's coming up next. In terms of customer support, Dove has a strong reputation for providing helpful service. Their products are PETA certified cruelty-free, which gives an added layer of trust for conscious buyers. Additionally, Dove's commitment to sustainability by reducing plastic waste by 2025 adds a thoughtful element to the brand. For real-world testing, I've used this product multiple times over several weeks, and each time it delivered the same soft, smooth results. It works wonderfully on dry skin, and I recommend it to anyone looking to exfoliate and hydrate in one step. To wrap up, I highly recommend Dove Scrub Brown Sugar and Coconut Butter for silky smooth skin. It's a great addition to your skincare routine, especially if you're looking to add some extra hydration while exfoliating. It's perfect for people who want soft, smooth skin without harsh ingredients. If you're on the lookout for a scrub that offers both exfoliation and moisture, this product is definitely worth considering. You can find the link to purchase it in the description box, and feel free to drop your thoughts or any questions in the comments. If you've tried this product, let us know what you think. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more fantastic reviews. See you next time.